Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to us. In today's video we'll explain if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse for your Kia Immobilizer. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. It's a little bit hidden, so if your Kia Optima doesn't start, you think you have bad immobilizer, check that fuse. Actually that fuse controls the camshaft position sensors that can control the ignition of your vehicle as well, guys. We'll explain why it's super important to test your fuses even if you're replacing them with new ones, so make sure you stay until the very end. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So we can see, guys, this is the engine right here, 2.4 liter GDI engine. This is the fuse box right here. We have one notch here, one there, squish, pull straight up. On the back side you have the fuse printed, the fuse names, but that doesn't mean almost anything, guys. What we did, we tried to take a picture and make it a little bit bigger so we can show you. Everything corresponds to what we have right here. Now, the fuse, guys, that controls that immobilizer, okay, it's known as a sensor 3 fuse, guys, sensor 3. So if you come right here, 1, 2, 3, that fuse right here, it should be a 10 amp fuse. Okay, this fuse right here, this is the immobilizer fuse. Right here, guys, we have that fuse puller that you can use, get on top of the fuse, okay, and go ahead and replace it. Okay, or remove it and see if it's good. Now, sometimes it's really hard to tell if a fuse is good or bad. Sometimes it's super easy, but always, guys, test them, because sometimes you cannot tell that the fuse is actually bad. What we recommend, test them. We have a video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few minutes, guys. So I'll put the link to in the description of the video below. Also, guys, what you need to do, even if you're replacing them with a new fuse, always, guys, test them as well, because sometimes you may have defective fuse. Your Kia Optima, let's say, doesn't start. At that point you're putting time and money that you don't have to. So we recommend, guys, okay, to always test these fuses, okay, before putting them in your vehicle, so you can eliminate a problem like that. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.